get that out of the way so we can continue with the video without any stupid interruptions of that church bell every single damn time. Yeah, we know it's 12 o'clock. Started up the camera, and as soon as I wanted to hit the record button, it started. You done? All right. All right, what's going on, everybody? It's Lang Dutchman here, and today I have another cooling mod. One of my subscribers, or at least a comment in one of the previous videos, recommended I should get a thermostat. Now I got a racing thermostat of Mishimoto, and this thing should open up a lot earlier. If you've seen the previous video that I did about this, is that I've replaced this housing and I drilled a hole in the thermostat, which worked because it ran a little bit cooler. Only downside is it took way too long to warm up. It takes way too long to warm up. So the thing is now, it's taking too long, and like if I need to drive to work, I'm getting at my workspace. As soon as I arrive at work, it's sort of getting warm, which I don't like. It's too much. So what we're doing is a raised thermostat. So this thing opens up earlier, so it's able to keep the engine cooler, and also it's closing when it's still cold, so it should warm up like normal, but then opens up a little bit earlier, so it should get the cooling temps down a lot better. Then we also have like a silicone kit, because well, it was not expensive, and if you look at the original hoses, let me stupid package. If you look at the original hoses on this thing, then you know why I'm replacing them, because I think these are a lot more sturdy. And then if you look at, for instance, this one, it's big, and then again it's smaller. Here's getting big again. I don't trust these as much. Also this one, you see how stretched it out. See how already stretched it is. And of course it should fit on there, and then after I don't know how many years, that is what happened. Oh damn it! I just popped the hose off. Well, that's one then. I need to take that one off. Then I can take the thermostat housing off, replace the thermostat, put the new lines on there, the hoses. Same with this one. This looks a little bit too long. What's up with that? Do we need to push this over completely or something? I don't know. We'll see. Also, I think silicone hoses should not be done by these things, but I don't have any others at the moment, so I will tighten them with these, but then look for the proper option to do it. But I don't think this will, how do you say that? I don't think this will do that much damage in a short while, so I think we should be all good. I'm gonna take thermostat housing off as 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, I think it was. And then to stop this from leaking, let's see if I can get this over there. Get over here. This is gonna be a tight fit. That's what it is. And then also the line, if I hold this like this, it's not really flush, so I need to trim a little bit off, if that makes any sense, because here's the line going straight, and then if you see where the radiator starts here, it's a little bit long, so I can take this bit off, and it still has the thickened part, so it should go on then it's straight instead of like leaning towards the engine like that. Dramatized. So I'm gonna put that one on, put the other one on. I think I need to cut this one. Oh, that's a good thing, because I can just put that one on, cut, put the thing in the middle, cut again, and put the other one on, and like sort of shorten it in the middle here with that section. That would be a good option. All right, let's do that, and then get everything off, and I'll show you guys the next step. So thermostat housing is out. Best part about these thermostats is that you don't have to seal anything, because the thermostat itself is like the seal around it. That one, you see how good it sticks. Now, even though this was new, it has a little bit of nasty stuff on there, so I'm gonna take that off and put the new one in, which is these are relatively cheap, and if it's doing the job, or at least better than it did, because this one opens up. Does it show when it opens up? No, this one says 68 degrees Celsius, that is. So also, wait, no rubber gasket. You want me to utilize the old gasket? I'm just saying, like, we have a quality product here, Mishimoto, which it is, and then missing the rubbers and everything. Like, what if this one was really old and fucked? I would not have been able to put it back in, because then this seal would have been fucked. So I need to get a new seal then, and come on, Mishimoto, step with your game. Anyways, clean this up a little bit, put the rubber in between there, put it on like this, slap it back in, put the hoses on. It's not that interesting. The thing that I'm interested is what's the coolant temps gonna be. So let me clean it up, put it all back on, and let's go for a test drive. Oh yeah, and bleed the system, of course, but that's a given. So after a little bit of driving, I don't know if you can see this, because I'm a little bit bumpy here, but it stays bang on right in the middle, right on top. It's just close to 90 degrees. And that's when I'm just doing some city driving slow. When I'm just have some proper airflow through the radiator. Then it drops down a little bit, so that means that if I go nuts and I go hammer on it, like drifting, it should be all good. I kind of like it. So yeah, now it's creeping up because I'm standing still, but then when I put my fan on, it should stay here or maybe drop down a little bit. It's now around 95 degrees. So that's good. That's operating temperature. Finally, instead of the 110, 120 I was usually having. So since everything is now fixed, I'm here with my mate Eddie. Alright, and we're gonna have a good cruise. Look at the weather. It's so nice out. His brother's MX-5. Getting better now. That wing is new. I've never seen that wing before, but I like it. And I sort of like the diffuser.
Yeah, you built that himself.
Nice. So we're just gonna have a nice drive around. I'm happy that this mod all worked. Yeah, it's dropping down to 90 now with the fan on, so should be perfect for drifting. So I would say mod successful, and on to the next one. which I don't know if it's cooling related, but I have some more items that could help with all the heat management inside the engine bay and other stuff. So thank you guys for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.